contact sheets and PDF presentations. Contact sheets and PDF presentations. By the way, contact sheet and PDF presentation plugins in Photoshop CS6 and Photoshop are 64-byte compatible for optimal performance on modern systems, by the way. And some procedures in this article are applicable to Adobe Bridge. And Adobe Bridge is not installed, by the way, by default with Photoshop to download Bridge. And what about creating a contact sheet? How to create a contact sheet in Photoshop? We have steps. Step number 1. You choose file, then you choose automate, then you choose contact sheet. And for Bridge, select a folder of images or specific image files. And from the Bridge menu, you should choose tools firstly, then you choose Photoshop, then contact sheet. And unless you select specific images, the contact sheet, by the way, will include all the images currently displayed in Adobe Bridge. And you can also select different images after the contact sheet dialog box opens. Step number 2. In the contact sheet dialog box, you should specify the images to include by choosing an option from the Use menu. And not here in this point, in step 2. Not here, and be careful please. If you select Bridge, by the way, all images currently in Bridge are used unless you selected images before choosing the contact sheet command. And images in subfolders are not included, by the way. Step number 3. In the document area, you should specify the dimensions and color data for the contact sheet, and then select Flatten All Layers to create a contact sheet with all images and text on a single layer. And then deselect Flatten All Layers to create a contact sheet in which each image is on a separate layer and each caption is on a separate text layer. Step number 4. In the thumbnail area, you should specify layout options for the thumbnail previews. And for place, you should choose whether to arrange thumbnails across first and from left to right, then top to bottom, or down first from top to bottom, then left to right. And after that, enter the number of columns and rows that you want per contact sheet. And after that, select Use Auto Spacing to let Photoshop automatically space the thumbnail in the contact sheet. And if you deselect Use Auto Spacing, you can specify the vertical and horizontal space around the thumbnails. After that, you should select Rotate for best fit to rotate the images and regardless of their orientation, and so they fit efficiently on a contact sheet. Step number 5. You should select Use File Name as caption to label the thumbnails using their source image file names, and you can't use the menu to specify a caption, font, and font size. Step number 6, and finally, click OK to execute.